Guys, let's jump right in. I am excited to share with you my experience of going to the infamous Restoration Hardware. To my surprise, you guys, I found out that I have a outlet store in my local area. Look at that, how gorgeous. You guys, I fell in love with this store after watching one of my favorite YouTubers build and design her home, and she did it so perfectly through this particular store. And out of curiosity, I looked it up, and I love the pieces that they have here. Be advised, it is a high-end luxe store, but you guys, in this case, you get what you pay for. Now, I will admit you can find dupes of some of these pieces, but I wanted to share with you just the beautiful, eclectic style that they have to offer. Now, this is an outlet store, so it's not set up as the actual store itself, but look at the various designs. If you are farmhouse, rustic glam, modern French country, Parisian, traditional Tuscan, whatever your style is, and certainly glam, you can find a piece in Restoration Hardware to fit your design aesthetic. At the outlets, you guys, everything is marked half off, and I love that because your girl loves a bargain. So let's just peruse the store, and I'll allow you to enjoy the beautiful pieces that we find throughout this scavenger hunt. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Well, as you can see, this store is full of beautiful home decor pieces. Granted, it's not for the faint at heart, so shop according to your budget and your lifestyle. But again, you're sure to find something here to fit your design aesthetic. Now, if this is your first time visiting, I want to invite you to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so that you always know when I upload new content. Now, to my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you for your continued support. Also, guys, if you have not already, hit that notification bell as well as subscribe to my IG channel. You guys, I've got a lot of good things going on over there, and on IG you're the first to get sneak peeks of what's to come on my YT channel. So if you haven't already, click the button, join the royal family, and until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful day. Smooches.